Hey, good day everybody. I'm happy to bring you this electric lunchbox from Dicorain. Check this thing out. Let's see what's inside. A little bit about it here. This electric lunchbox uses high temp, resistant environmental materials, stylish and fashionable appearance without the odor. The use of PTC heating elements is safer, more convenient, and energy saving. The design of recycle eating and low power keeps the food warm and fresh. Dual function for heating and warm keeping. Well, here's what comes in the box, but all the contents are inside the lunchbox, so I want to kind of go through that with you. Look at this. It comes with a nice metal spoon, stainless steel, nice little compartment for it. Same thing over here, stainless steel fork. Got a handle on there for carrying. And then it has 4 snaps, one on each side. Oh, this thing looks great. Look at this. So you can plug it in to the wall socket, or you can plug it into your cigarette lighter. Very cool. So lots of options there. This is stainless steel here. It's a 1.8 liter capacity. Very nice. And then it comes with some dishes here too. This has a nice snap. Snaps open and shut here. This here has a silicone sealing ring around here too. You just snap on just like that, nice and easy. And when you have it clean and off and not being heated, you can keep this stuff in here, keep that in there for storage. Okay, the directions here say this is made of heat resistant material as well. So it said there's about a 25-minute cook time. You know, if you pulled it out of the fridge, let's say, and it's based on 25-degree centigrade, and they say it takes about 25 minutes if you're pulling cold food out to heat up in here. And the heating time depends on the amount of food and the indoor temperature as well. And look at this. This is great. So this is one of those bags that, you know, it'll keep your food hot too. So you can warm it up in here and then put it in here. Zip it up. You know, if you make something hot, you want to keep it hot for work, you know, you can heat it up at home and put it in here and it'll stay hot. Or put your stuff out of the fridge in here and then either plug it in on the way to work and eat it out of your car or your truck, or bring it to your desk, heat it up there, have it ready to go when it's eating time. Look at that. That is nice. You'll notice too, it has a little pocket here right in the lid. So you can put your cords and whatever else you want in there as well. You know, maybe some packets of condiments. It even has a little extra room in here. So you need to put some other stuff in here as well. Maybe some napkins. Great little carrying case, zip up carrying case. It's nice and lightweight too. Great little unit. All right, let's go ahead and warm up some food. I'm gonna be keeping these cables in this thing too, like for a carrying case. Put some stuff in here, check it all out. Okay, that light's on. That means we're plugged in here. So I'm just plugged into the standard wall socket right now. I'll go ahead and time this and see how long it takes to warm up. I'm gonna use the heck out of this as well because, you know, I eat a lot of fruit and veggies. You can put all your fruit and veggies in here. You know, your beans, your beets, your strawberries, raspberries. This is a great, nice little container to have to keep it separate from your other food there, from your hot food. Or you can have this maybe be your rice and then your chicken in here. So it just kind of depends on your meal and what you want to eat. But great little option there. And just the fact that you can keep food warm and warm food up in your car, you know, your car, truck, or RV. This is a great, great option. And it's a space saver as well. You know, it doesn't take up much room at all. Okay, I'm just kind of waiting for this to warm up here, but you can feel it start to get warm right down here. Put your hand up there. Hey, if it's ever a cold day, this is a great hand warmer as well. All right, I've been warming this up for about 20 minutes. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and warm, look at that. Oh yeah, corn on the cob is warm too. I can barely hang on to that. Yep, can't even touch it. That is hot. So that is perfect. Wow. This thing works great. Love it. I'm gonna use it a lot. Highly recommend this. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.